All right, guys. So I just did the power steering. I got the banjo washers, bolts, whatever you want to call them. They weren't the right ones, so that ain't happening. I just did the clutch fan, so there's a new clutch fan in there. That angle ain't helping you guys at all. I did that. I'm gonna do spark plugs, and I'm gonna do an exhaust mount that was never put on the car. And hey,
let's go. We're back.
What are you getting? Tell them.
What? I'm not jinxing it. You might see a car next video. We'll see. I'll believe it when it's on the trailer.
Yeah, but you know, we'll see. Tyler might be back. He's gonna have to.
Might be LS in it, you know.
Yeah,
we'll see.
I have a lot of money. I don't know. I know how cheap you are. But yeah. Tyler's back, kinda ish. Not really, but he might be getting something, bringing it over. But anyway, today Jake's gonna come over. We're gonna bleed the clutch on this thing, and then I just got to do the spark plugs, an air filter, and see if she drives. So yeah, I'll get to it. I'll set you guys up on a little something. I don't know yet what I'm gonna rip apart, but Tyler and Donnie are leaving to go get lunch, and I'm just gonna keep on working. So I'll let you know. So in a minute. Hey, I saw something on here I thought was kind of weird, but I'm probably gonna change it anyway, but I just thought it was cool. Maybe you want to see it. Obviously, new filter. Who knows how old filter. But this thing, it goes into a box, just like that. And then, I'm trying to do this one-handed. It should. Maybe ramming it in is not the ideal situation. That works. That went a little better. Check that out. And then this thing, it's so weird. I never seen one like that. Just, well, here we go again. Pain in the ass. Let's get something wrong. Part of the pain in my ass anyway. So the only thing, the guy zip tied this. I don't know if I'm losing. I guess if anything, it would just be giving it more air, but I don't know. Anyway, I just thought you guys would think that was kind of cool. I don't know. I thought it was. I'm not used to this European stuff, but still waiting for Jake. So check back in a little bit. I think I'm gonna pop the valve cover off, or well, not the valve cover, like the cover for the spark plugs and all, and get that ready for him. God, if I had $1 for every time my voice cracked, I might actually be rich. All right, I'll get back to you guys in a minute. It's weird when no one else is in the shop. It makes filming kind of boring, but I'll try and keep you guys updated. So I'll be back in a minute. I didn't know that they hide these pretty well. I'll pop those off first. I was about to just go ahead and yank it off. All right, so I got the cover off, down to all the coil packs. I'm not sure how delicate these things are, or if they are, if they're not. So, might wait on Jake for that one. See if he wants to not break them so I don't, or no, he won't break them, I'll break them. So, I'm gonna probably wait on that. Maybe. Dude, you interrupt my vlog?
Just like that, I'm out.
Yeah, nah, I just got that all done, so.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'll be with you guys in a minute. I'll see you. Sure, I'll put them back on. All right. How's that look, Jakester? I'm coming for it out.
Looks okay. I mean, you got it apart now, so
Oh, I'm gonna replace it. I was just wondering what you thought.
looks fine.
Yeah, I should have.
You wanted real headaches, yeah.
Do you put anything on
With
these?
the amount of money he's spending here, he could have had a nice Mustang.
Well, not quite. It'd have been an old one.
I said nice. I didn't say how old it was going to be.
Giving Donnie and him more fire. Turbo on it. Am I even doing anything here?
Half-inch of threads.
How tight you do these?
There's a torque setting.
Just hold the head. Don't hold that there. Put your hand inside. Yeah. That's good.
And not a whole lot of torque going on.
They say put your palm around the head of the ratchet and just snug it up. If you're
So you don't use an impact?
No, no impact.
only on his truck.
Yeah.
No impact. And you don't start it with an impact. Like on the plastic, so it slips over.
Looks like these just touch.
It just slides down over top of it.
That one on the car, they like pop in.
Yeah, but that's because it's a coil over plug. That's a coil on plug.
Oh. Fuck.
I love
Are they all in here, Lee? Are these all in here, the old spark plugs? Oh, okay. Alright. Well, anyway, guys, we just finished the 6th, and it doesn't look too bad, so I guess the motor might be healthy. I mean, yeah. I mean, this thing didn't run bad or anything, so I wasn't worried. I was just doing it just preemptively, but anyways, so we're done that, and I'm gonna move on to the exhaust hanger that's missing, and then I guess me and Jay are gonna try and start this piece. Goddamn right we got them off. It's gonna be a drift car in a year anyway. Donnie's like, nah, dude, I'm telling you, you gotta keep this thing nice. I'm like, dude, this thing ain't gonna make it half a year before it's got a turbo on it and everything else. I'll let him watch this video. I'm gonna. Oh yeah. That's quality fitment right there. Hey, used M3 rear splitter, you know? Yeah, we ain't got no vibrating, Jake. Clear and stout, real nice. Yeah. Hey, don't go on FCP Euro and buy mounts. Just cut away about that much and you're good to go. This guy right here, this Lee guy told me to do it. Customization. All right. Fun stuff. I'm trying to get to the belts. Do you want me to just move it on the thing so you can leave?
But I do have a question.
What?
What the fuck is this for?
That's sure that's what that's for.
Okay.
Or it might not let you drive away with the hood open. It might yell at you. But all right, guys, I'm gonna set you up on a stand. We're gonna put the belts on, I guess, and then should be done. So I'll get to you in a minute. Yeah, we think so.
You think so?
Huh? Looks like a rat's nest in there.
Yep.
Oh God.
I can see the damn thing moves by itself.
It's part of the content. I'm a rookie. Unfortunately, when I bought this car, I learned how to drive it on a burnt clutch. Woo! Good Lord. Definitely not the same. I'll take some getting used to on that one. Fuck this thing all up, brand new. Good thing I got a spare clutch lying around. Alright, I had to pull over because this thing's making a weird vibrating sound. I think it just did it again. It's definitely running good. It's peppier and everything, and all that stuff's great. It's definitely faster. Maybe the plug's in the, you know, the new filter, but I mean, I doubt it. But everything's definitely better. The transmission feels a little better after servicing it and make sure everything was in there the right way. Let me put this window up real quick for you guys, my bad. So it definitely feels better. There's just something, I mean, it's a lot faster and all that like stuff. Whatever, not the point. The point is something's rattling and it sounds funky and I don't know what it is and it's worrying me. So I'm gonna take it back.
Grab's pretty low, that's nice.
Yeah, it's definitely a better clutch. I mean, I'm not used to driving with a clutch that's nice. Mine was fucking smoked beyond belief.
Rattling in the back.
I don't know what that is, dude. I can't figure it out. I don't know what that is either. Huh?
Like driving a stone.
Got a rocks on suspension, boy. We're in Mexico. Dude, that's what I said. I can't wait to do some shit like that, boy. You run good, I'll give you that. Dang, whipping right there for a second. You're doing 120 mile an hour.
Didn't feel like doing 120.
It was 120 mile an hour. We were in Mexico, Glen Mills, baby. That's what I said, dude. I just want a turbo on this thing for like 400 horsepower. Let's dump this thing and fucking do some downies. Uh-huh.
You better get yourself in a parking lot.
Why? You don't want to do it right here?
Motherfucker, you're not spinning this car around right here at these two.
No, I'm good. I end up in that rock.
Right in that guardrail.
I got fucking nothing. I don't even know how to drift. I know how to do some donuts and figure eights. That's about it. I ain't burning up some canyons back here. That'd be great. I'd be like, how's the car doing? Like, hey, we're gonna meet at the bar because that
In the crook.
thing's gone. I think God was looking out for us on that 120 mile an hour run. Makes it a little more life-threatening now. All right, so me and Jake just got back, and like all that rattling we found a few things like the little metal plate that goes in between the trans and, you know, the engine. That was missing a bolt, so it could have been rattling. There was another heat shield up there that could have been rattling, or maybe just it's the trans making that sound, which I hope not. But then Jake started looking around, and no light. Let me grab the light for you guys. Let's see here. So that bolt, which holds the shock obviously, was literally about to fall out. This was all loose, about to fall out. And yeah, so the kid before doing a good job with this one. No offense to you, but geez. But anyway, I'm glad I didn't drive that thing home 3 hours or 4 hours from Virginia. She was hurting a little bit. So I'm working on right here. There's a little bolt right up in there, and this thing that can bounce. So I'm hoping that's like the vibrations. And then check back in with you in a little bit. So I'll see you later. All right, guys, we took it out. I mean, everything that we could see is fixed, but if the rattling gets worse or whatever, something like that, Jake said I'll have to take it all back out. So I guess we'll see. I'll drive for a week and see what happens. I mean, everything works fine. Nothing's like, he was asking if like stuff was dragging or hanging up when you're coming to a stop, and it definitely wasn't. So I don't really know what's going on, but I don't know. Everything's brand new under there, so I don't even know what it could be at this point. But at least the power steering's not leaking. We won one battle today. And Jake fixed everything underneath the car that was loose so I don't die. So that's cool too. But I was dicking around in the shop with this blowtorch, and I just wanted to show Jake, but I guess I'll show you guys too. Check this shit out. Come here. Like the other side's already done. I don't even know if they'll be able to see it, but old plastic, man. I hate that paint though, you gotta be careful. I guess it like remelts the old plastic. Makes it look better. The only problem you gotta watch, I just did it here. Well, it already cured itself, but yeah, now, don't do that. Well, anyway, you get the idea. So I'm gonna finish this up right here and I'll let Jake get out of here. So I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Got it. All right, Nick just showed up and he's gonna take me home so I can get this truck out of the way, but I guess I'm taking this thing home. It's still making that noise after driving it around. Jake said, you know, drive around for a week, see if everything settles and we're good to go, and then, you know, we'll go from there, I guess. So I don't know, but it definitely drives better, feels better, and it is what it is. It's running, it's idling good, everything's fine again. I need to scan the check engine lights off and stuff, and then we're gonna do that. But yeah, so we're good, and we're gonna head out, and I'll see you guys next week. I'm gonna get the hydro and the angle kit going with Tyler. Tyler might be getting a car, so I'll probably help him get that, so we'll see. But either way, we'll be back to another video on Thursday. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you later.